Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I hope you guys are all doing well wherever you are watching me from. So as you all know that we are still in lockdown hibernation. So for me this hibernation means I can try out different lengthy or any new recipes which I want to. So today I'm making a very classic sweet dish, Asian classic sweet dish that's called sheer Khurma and the Biryani Karachi style. So let's start with my recipe. So there you see I've started making sheer Khurma. Sheer Khurma is a must sweet dish which we make on our Eid ul-Fitr, which is the Eid which comes after Ramadan, after a fasting month. So you see that I've started making by melting some ghee. This is a homemade desi ghee, and first I will start roasted some nuts. So I've taken some pistachios which I've chopped, one date which I've sliced. I've taken chopped almonds. So I will roast those nuts in gassy ghee for a few minutes until they get fragrant, and they just change their color to a very light golden because nuts get roast really quickly. So keep stirring, don't leave them, and make sure your flame is very low. We just need the heated pan and just want to roast very lightly. So as you can see, the milk is boiling. I left it to simmer because I want to reduce the milk a little bit. So when the milk is reduced, it gives a very nice taste. And I've put few cardamom pods as well in there. So I'm still roasting my nuts until they get like a nice goldenish color, not very dark golden color. So as they were ready, so I'm gonna now put them in this milk while the milk is simmering. Now I will use the same pan which I use for roasting nuts. So now I'm going to add extra little bit of ghee and I will roast these vermicellis, and I will roast them on the very medium heat until they get like very lightish golden again as nuts and they get fragrant. So keep stirring if you are doing this vermicellis because they get burnt quickly. So keep stirring. So now I will add the evaporated milk and the sheer kurma, and that was the whole point of simmering the milk, to get the evaporated taste, because when milk evaporates it gives a very nice and yummy taste. And just to make my life easier, I've used the can evaporated milk so to get the job done in no time. I am still roasting those vermicellis and I want them to get really nicely fragrant and very nice golden color. I don't want them to get the dark golden color as they themselves are like bit goldenish color. So really nice roasted fried golden color, which will really give them a nice flavor. I don't want to burn them, but at the same time I'm stirring the milk because I don't want the milk as well to get burned from at the bottom of the pan. So now the vermicellis are ready to be put in the milk. So I'm going to add these fried vermicellis to the simmering milk. So finally I'll add some saffron, which gives a nice flavor, color and fragrance, all three in one. And then I'll simmer further for another 10-15 minutes until it's thickened, and then I can enjoy it hot or cold, whichever way I like. These are the all ingredients which I'll be using to make biryani. Today I'm making Karachi biryani, so just let me just walk you through. Sliced tomatoes, green chilies, dried plums, sliced lemon, fresh coriander. This onion I'll use to make salad. One onion I've already browned it, fried it, so it's there. And in the dry spices I'll need black peppercorns, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom sticks, any seed. I hope I've got it right. It's a big cardamom or black cardamom, green cardamom, and I'll be using cumin seed. Along I'll need some spices, so I'll use turmeric, red chili, dry coriander and dried cumin powder. I've already cut potatoes. I've already chopped some onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. I'll be using some saffron to give it a flavor, extra flavor. We'll need this yellow color and some yogurt. This is the oil I've used to brown the onion, so I'll use the same pan to make masala. This is water I've kept for boiling to boil rice. So let me show you the procedure. Starting with turning on the flame first. First, I'll add this ginger, garlic and green chilies which I've chopped. So I'll add these dry plums. I will add these 2 slices of lemon. And now I'm adding these dry ingredients. So 1 bay leaf I'll put in this water boiling. So I'll add all of it. And this water I will add all of it. And this I will add turmeric. I will use some red chili. So I will mix everything. Put some salt here. Put some salt in this rice. I will close the lid to let it come to a boil and just cook a little bit. So while my korma or masala is still getting ready, I have not put the chicken yet. So once it's properly cooked, and then I'll add the chicken in there. So in the meantime, I can boil the rice. These are the rice I've soaked them for like around an hour. So I'm going to put them now so I can boil the rice. So masala is still cooking, and rice, you see they are boiling, but you see they are like around 85% they are boiled. So I'm just going to leave them for 1 more minute and then I'll strain this rice. So now in this masala, before adding the chicken, I'll add these potatoes. I want them to be like half cooked. And I'll close the lid. So now the potatoes are like half cooked. They're not fully cooked yet. We still have got some water. So at this time, I'm going to add chicken, which is washed. And I will cook this chicken for like few minutes until this chicken is cooked. So the chicken has changed its color but hasn't cooked through properly. So I will add these things now. Now in this I've got 2 tablespoons of yogurt, like around a tablespoon of chopped brown onion. I have got this ready-made 1 teaspoon of biryani powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and some saffron and yellow food color. So I'll add these things now. And now I will let it cook until it gets a bit thicker and like a proper biryani masala, and then I'll put the rice. So now after 30 minutes, you see it's almost cooked, but there is still some water, which I'm going to leave it because I'm going to put the rice now. Chicken and potatoes, they are like cooked. So I'm going to add some green coriander, this fresh one, lemon slices, lower the flame. Now these strained rice, they are like 85%, 90% cooked. They're not fully cooked, so they will cook. Now this, I am really sorry, it's because I don't have big pots. I have left some water as well, rice water, so that it can have a great taste. So then I don't need to add extra water. I don't want to throw all the flavored rice flavored water. So I left it there. So I'm going to garnish some green chilies. Some green coriander. Some leftover brown onion. And putting some food color on the top. So sprinkle it. Just a little bit of oil, so I'm going to take. So there you go. It's all done. Cover the lid. That is the heaviest metal thing I can find in my kitchen to put it there, because I just need to seal it properly. So this heavy object will seal all these openings properly. And now in this way, whatever the leftover water which was in the curry, in the masala, it will also get dried up, and with that, because of that water, all that rice will also cook. So we'll open this after 25 minutes or 30 minutes. I'll see you after 20-30 minutes. So you can see the biryani is ready. I'm going to plate it. So my dinner is ready now, and I'm going to try. I'm so excited and so happy. The biryani turned out really nice, and khurma is also fantastic. So I'm going to taste this biryani now. This is a chicken biryani. It's beautiful, smells so nice. Rahim. I know I have to try with chicken as well, so let you know how is it. It's fine, perfect balance of spice with rice. No liquid extra left. Potato is also well cooked. Chicken's well cooked. Rice like proper, like whole grain. They haven't gone mushy. Now I have to after food I have to try this dessert. Now my dinner is ready. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment this channel. Thanks. Bye bye.